Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Sarbini. I am from Accounting 21A at Nusa Putra University, and my lecturer is Miss Lina Herlina. In here, I will present my scientific paper entitled Analysis of Factor Affecting Entrepreneurs' Perception of the Importance of Bookkeeping and Financial Reports. Entrepreneurs are not one of the economic drivers who make a major contribution to economic growth in Indonesia. Entrepreneurs have an important role in the company, one of which is a major player in local economic development and community empowerment, as well as creating new markets and sources of innovation. Over time, the business sector in Sukabumi Regency is getting more active, especially creative business such as digital printing and cutting stickers that began to spread love. Purpose statement: knowing the entrepreneurial perception factor in the importance of bookkeeping and financial report, and second, knowing entrepreneurial background relationship in the importance of bookkeeping and financial reports. Problem: I need two problem. There are: how is the awareness of entrepreneurs in the perception of the importance of bookkeeping and financial reports, and what are the factors for entrepreneur in the perception of the importance of bookkeeping and financial reports? Why do I conduct an analysis related to the perception of entrepreneurs on the importance of bookkeeping and financial reports? Because Harahap says financial reports are the subject or final result on an accounting process that becomes information material for use as an ingredient in the decision-making process, and can also describe indicator of the success of a company achieving its goals. So, with good bookkeeping and financial report, we can see the success or failure of the business. Factor affecting perception: Miftah Toha state that the factors that influence a person's perception are internal factor and external factor. An internal factor include feelings, attitude, and individual personalized attention or focus, learning process, and values and needs, as well as interests. And the external factors is family background, size and resistance, information obtained, knowledge and around, and repetition of motion. And this is data. So in my scientific paper, I used to resist data, and they are independent variables and dependent variables. In independent variables, there are 5 points. The first is educational background. Educational background, which in this study was measured by giving point the answer in the questionnaire. For educational background question was divided into two categories of answer choice, namely non-economic and economic. And second, educational level, which in this study was measured by giving point to the answer in the questionnaire. For the question of education level was divided into two categories of answer choice, namely non-college and college. And the third, business size, which in this represented by company assets by giving points to answer in the questionnaire to the questions of company assets consisting of three answer choice, namely less than 50 million and 51 until 100 million, and the last more than 100 millions. And fourth is length of business, by giving point the answer in the questionnaire for the question of length of business, which consists of three answer point, namely less than 1 year and 1 until 3 years, and then more than 3 years. Then, business experience. By giving point to answer in the questionnaire for business experience question, which are divided into two categories of answer choice, namely never and ever. For dependent variable, the dependent variable is entrepreneur's perception of the importance of bookkeeping and financial reports. The questionnaire the questionnaire was made with answer or categories consisting of 4 levels. For quantitative analysis, alternative answers are scored from number 1 to 4, which are ordinal data as follows: 4 to very important, 3 to important, 2 to quite important, and 1 not important. For hypothesis, hypothesis 0 is mu A equal to mu B. The meaning is there is no relationship between the factors with the perception of importance of bookkeeping and financial report. And the second hypothesis 1 is mu A not equal to mu B. The meaning is there is a relationship between the factors with the perception of importance and bookkeeping financial report. For research methodology, the distribution of questionnaire was carried out by going directly to the location of the business center and asking for the willingness of the company owner as a respondent. The total population of the company owners in the center is 30. Of the 30 questionnaire distributed, only 24 returned while the rest did not. Primary data from the questionnaire that have been filled out by respondents, then processed by SQL analysis in SPSS for Windows version 23.0. Research result. Before testing the hypothesis, a cross tabulation will be presented which describe the distribution of data, the relationship between educational background, educational level, business size, length of business, and business experience, with perception of the importance of bookkeeping and financial report. This is table, educational background with bookkeeping and financial reporting, and table T to educational level with bookkeeping and financial report. We can see this data. And table 3, business size with bookkeeping and financial report. Report is length of business with bookkeeping and financial report. And table 5 is business experience with bookkeeping and financial report. From the result of questionnaire, we process data with using SPSS for Windows. For hypothesis testing, we use determinant the hypothesis to hypothesis 0 is there is no relationship between the factor with the perception of the importance of bookkeeping and financial report, and hypothesis 1 is there is a relationship between the factor with the perception of the importance of bookkeeping and financial reporting. And the second, determining the significance level. In the study, the significance level was 5%. And last, perform data analysis using SPSS for Windows version 23.0. Hypothesis testing. This is table hypothesis testing result. Based on this table, it can be seen that there is a relationship between educational background, educational level, business size, length of business, and business experience with perception of important bookkeeping and financial report. 0.5, the coefficient above 0.5. From the analysis result, after processed by SPSS, all of them show that coefficient is above 0.5. This means that it has a strong relationship between all the variables. Discussions. The result of hypothesis testing indicate that there is a relationship between educational background, educational level, business size, length of business, and business experience with perception of the importance of bookkeeping and financial report. From the analysis result, all them show that the coefficient is above 0.5. This means there is a strong relationship between all the variables, with a study that states important indicator for each coefficient that has been received. A business does not only prioritize profit but must be based on reinforcing factors in it. To get maximum result, a business must be supported by an equal educational background, an equal level of education, business size, and the importance of business experience. And conclusions. The first is there is a strong significant relationship between educational background, educational level, business size, length of business, and business experience with perception of importance of bookkeeping and financial report. All variables show coefficient result above 0.5. And second, giving each other the maximum positive impact on its variables. The educational background is as close as possible. The level of education is equivalent. The size of business that has been developed and importance of business experience involved. And the last, the other variables that have not been studied here will provide a study of other factors to research. And there are reference. So thank you for your attention. Maybe it's can I show to you. I'm sorry if I have a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.